Hello viewers, I welcome you back to this channel. How do you flip a forex trading account? It's the question that I've come to basically answer in the video today. We're going to be looking at the different ways, approaches an individual trader like you or me needs to go through, needs to do if they want to flip their forex trading account. If you're new to this channel and the word flipping an account is actually strange to you, then I believe by now you know what flipping a forex trading account means. If not, flipping a forex trading account means to rapidly grow your account from a very small trading account to a very big or happy forex trading account. So in the video today, we're going to be discussing how do you do this right away from the basic levels. If you want to do it, what are some of the things that you need to do? If it's your first time to hear this, if you've been wondering how do you go about this, then it's what we are approaching in this particular video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do, such that you enjoy the content that we have in this. I will not waste a lot of our time, but also not forget to remind you to also go to other social media platforms of ours, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. Just type in fxkampala. You get to drive yourself to such videos as per what you're watching on different other platforms. We have different ways through which we can, grow our forex trading account, and some of you have literally been doing this, but of course doing it in a wrong way or not doing it the right way. So I've come actually to rectify the wrong ways you've been actually flipping your accounts to basically the right way, which you can flip the accounts the right way and also consistently be profitable in the long run. So flipping a forex trading account, first things first, we all know the first way is by actually putting so many trades on a single currency pair. But this can be either on a single point or single current price or by different levels as market approximates to your favor. So putting this comes with, of course, an intellectual market analysis a person must do in the beginning for them to say, yes, now let's enter. Two, they should be actually having an account that is probably small, that in any case things do not really work out. They actually risking what they are willing to lose. So this is actually fun, especially when you're growing a very small account that was nothing and you basically find yourself to a bigger account or probably to the money that you've not had in your life. However, you also don't be excited thinking that you've realized what a holy grail is, or you have come to a winning strategy. No, this has happened because of putting so many trades and the market is in your favor. But again, it could also be the alternative if the market went against you. However, I encourage this approach to the market of entering too many trades at a go. To small accounts, which one, even when loses, they are still in the business. They do not, get away of the business. In other words, risking what they can afford to lose through this particular approach. The other is by trading with a higher risk to reward ratio. By higher risk to reward ratio we're looking at a situation whereby you risk very small and you always aim for a bigger. RR means risk to reward. So by R or by risk, let's say I risk $10, aiming for $100. This approach, we have seen it through Richard Dennis, when he risks, let's say like 10% to aim for 100%, or 1% for 10%. Now, this is another way through which you can rapidly flip your account in a very short time to a bigger account. The other approach is by trading news. We all know news trading is when the market is actually experiencing high volatility Now, meaning that if someone comes in with the right time, with the right approach, with the right perfect trading strategy, entry, rules, and also good risk management, money management, but also at the right time, then they can make a lot of money along this particular point. So if we concentrate, or if we put our concentration about this particular point, then we're definitely going to flip our account like crazy and unbelievable, as probably we would if we focused mainly on trading news. So trading news is one of the easiest ways we can make quick money. In other ways, I would call flipping making quick money. So if you want to make quick money, then let's focus on trading news. Another way is by basically trading a single pair or a single tradable instrument. You see, when you happen to be trading 4 or 5 of these, you tend to spend a lot of your energy on, this Euro USD, NZD USD, GBPUSD, gold, and a lot more. So with that, you lose track. You keep moving in circles here and there. Now, the effect of this is that you will lack concentration. 2, you will not certainly get to know a specific, you will actually lack to know the details about individual currency pairs. But then, if I come in and I know, let's say I'm focusing on trading gold, and gold, I know the bias, I know its reaction when there is change in sessions, I know its reaction when there is news. I've actually mastered that even when someone comes out or came in to ask at the next move of gold, then I'll definitely know. So by focusing on a single currency pair, it helps you basically to master, and gradually grow this account, because at least each and every move the market will have to take next, you will actually be alert. You'll be actually not be surprised, because you've mastered how this moves. Then this move increases on the profitability. 1 is profitability. 2, if there arises a strong volatile move, this person is ready to catch the move. And then if the markets if one identifies the bias in the market, it's going to be easier for them to make and leverage the markets over that particular point. The other thing, or the other ways, the other technique a person can use if they literally want to aggressively grow their account from a small to a bigger one, is by concentrating on trading a big lot sizes. When you trade a big lot size, definitely the more the lot, the more exposure, the more the returns into the market. So definitely you're going to grow your account because you're trading with a lot of leverage and you're trading with a lot of money in the market. Another one is by trading with bigger leverage, or with trading with leverage. Leverage is actually trading with a little, okay, is when you probably trade with something small for something big. So using the small to leverage for bigger positions. This means that in a point, if one is good at market analysis, one is literally good, know what they're doing, then they're going to make money. Why? Because this time around, they have, exposed more than what they literally do not have in the long run. So they find themselves making a lot of money, and also trading, making a lot of money in a simple way and easier way because of leverage, other than if someone was using smaller leverage or leverage, whatever the pronunciation in the first place when they are trading. The other thing is, if you want to flip your account, then you have to trade in highly volatile trading sessions. That is the New York trading session, especially during the New York Open, and also the London closure. Between the New York opening and the London closure, especially during this time, is when we experience a lot of noise in the market, a lot of volume, a lot of market volatility. So if you probably do not trade the rest of the other session and you focus on trading this session, you find yourself flipping your account very easily, very professionally and consistently, if you concentrate on trading these particular sessions or the particular zones in the market. So spotting the highly volatile trading sessions in the market, like the New York and the London sessions, is very crucial, is very important for someone that is ideally looking forward flipping their forex trading account. So I urge you, if your aim is to flip your forex trading account, then please do so, and then you'll find that this techniques really works and it is really effective if your mission, if your intentions is to flip the forex trading account. Then we can also look at trading breakouts, what we call as liquidity grabs. So if we trade breakouts, then it means that along that particular point there, that's when liquidity grab certainly happens. And What causes liquidity grab is mainly the smart money. So if your strategy that you are trading is actually related to liquidity grab, or relates a lot or rotates about liquidity grab and breakouts, then it's another keen thing a person needs to focus on. To a person that has not been, taking this serious, take serious if they're looking forward, growing or flipping their account in a very short time trading the forex market. I believe these ways have been simple, have been precise, and they have sink into your head, and easier for you to approach and also to practice in your trading for whoever ever wanted to flip their account. So if you thought of other ways that probably existed, that probably other people used if they were flipping an account other than this, then you're probably wrong. So those that I've provided to you in the video today are one of the best, are one of the most common practical approaches, ways, principles a person needs to do if they want to flip their forex trading account. With that, I believe it has been very helpful, very educational, and also money-minded. Hope you learned something from here. If you enjoyed, like, share, and subscribe. With those few words, have a lovely day. Enjoy.